All the even numbered rows that are worked on the wrong side of the fabric are worked in a very regular way. You will see that you have two kinds of stitches on your needle. There's the background stitches that have 2 loops on the needle, and the design stitches, and they'll each have 1 loop on the needle. You're going to purl all the background stitches and slip all those design stitches with your marl in front. So let's see how that's done. There's a stitch at the side that's worked through the back loop. And now I come to a stitch with 2 loops on the needle. It's a background stitch. I'm going to purl it. Then I have 2 stitches that have 1 loop on the needle. Those are design stitches that face the back, and I've slipped them with my marl in front. These ones have 2 loops on the needle. I'm going to purl them. These ones have 1 loop on the needle. I'm going to slip them purlwise with my marl in front. I'm going to purl these 2, slip 4, purl 2, slip 4.